What is your per capita income? Your per capita income. Your per capita income now is about $3,000 a year. That's your per capita income. Of course, compared with Tanzania, you are a giant. But you are poor. You are poor. When you begin to use that money, this is arithmetic. This is simple arithmetic. If you divide the wealth of the country for the population, of course, everybody gets $3,000. But not everybody in this country is getting $3,000. That would be a miracle, boy. So that is simply arithmetic. So when you begin to use that wealth, Mr. President, and I know you are trying to address the legacy of apartheid, you have no money. You are still different from Tanzania, but you have no money. You are still more powerful. So for Tanzanians and the others to say, South Africa is big brother, they must not throw their weight. What kind of weight? And in any case, this would be positive weight, not the negative weight of our. So this is a different Africa. So I'm saying this Africa now is changing. Neo-colonialism is being fought, I think, more effectively. We have a new leadership in Africa which is going to fight neo-colonialism more effectively. And I believe the one region which can lead this fight is our region. After the end of apartheid, and after South Africa joining SADC, this area of Africa is a very solid area of Africa. It's an extremely solid area. It's strong, it has serious leaders. These leaders know one another. I know it because I know where some of them have come from. They have a habit of working together. Mr. President, let them work together. Deliberately, this should be a serious decision to work together. Why? You have no other choice. Yeah. You have absolutely no other choice. People, South Africa, because of your infrastructure, you can attract more investment from Europe, from North America than Tanzania can. Fine. Do it. Do it. Use your capacity to get as much investment as you can. That's good. But then don't be isolated from the rest of Africa. About Africa south of the Sahara. You are isolated from the centers of power. There is no internal problem, there is no internal urge in the United States, or in Europe, or in Japan, to help Africa. None. And I think, to some extent, the age of imperialism has gone. So you could easily be forgotten. Africa is out of interest when we are killing one another. We arouse a lot of interest. If we want to appear in European on European television, we can cause more trouble somewhere. Africa south of the Sahara is isolated. Africa south of the Sahara, in the world of today, is on its own. Totally on its own.